Hallelujah, we praise your name. Hallelujah, so worthy. Hallelujah, Lord, we need you.
Are ye so faithless? And how is it you don't trust me? This might be the question that Jesus asked his disciples after the storm had finished raging. After the winds had stopped blowing. After the water stopped beating the boat. Jesus is going to ask many of us, after the blowing over of COVID-19, he just might, hopefully not, but he just might ask some of us, after the social distancing, if we get past that, and after the stay-home order has been dismissed, he might ask some of us, why were you so fearful? And how is it that you have been with me all of this time and still you don't trust me? And I need to put a pin here and say to somebody here this morning, you can trust Jesus in whatever he presents in your life.
Isaiah and Chris still out working. Y'all can eat when y'all get ready. Okay. It is Sunday evening now, and dinner is ready. I made just a regular spaghetti bake. Well, I won't say regular because I did put something different in it. I put onion and smoked sausage. Turkey smoked sausage is in here, along with turkey ground meat instead of ground beef. So this is Sunday's dinner, and we have some leftover Olive Garden bread, so we're eating that with the spaghetti bake. Hey guys, so it is Monday, and I didn't feel like going to the grocery store during this time, during the virus and everything that's going on. So I did the click list again, and it was a free pickup, so I was happy about that. But I just did not feel like going to the grocery store and then having to take my clothes off when I got home, go in the basement, change my clothes, and then bringing the groceries, all that. So with the click list, you just bring the groceries in. You still got to clean them, like I showed you in my video, being safe at the grocery store. But it's just, I just did not feel like doing it today. So they had some substitutions also. So prayerfully, everything else is in the bags. They usually do a pretty good job with it, though. So I'm back home, and this is my click list. I am about to wipe everything down and put it away, and then got to get dinner going. Hey guys, so I made up this little chart, one each for the kids. It looks long with these. Jalen's is like at the bottom, Isaiah's is at the top. And I know this looks a little juvenile, but these were old from when they were little, and also probably from when Jordan was here. And I had these leftovers, and I was not going to, just waste up clean paper. So I have to use this little juvenile looking chart, but it'll get the job done. But anyway, yeah, I just feel like I have lost control of the house with the shutdown that's going on, and Mickey's passing and things. We just been coming and going and busy and doing this and that, and sometimes if you don't stay on kids, they will just get lax. So I was like, oh no, we gotta get on the schedule. We gotta do better. So y'all let me know what kind of system y'all have for y'all kids. If y'all have a chart or anything, let me know how old they are and stuff. But yeah, we still gotta keep things rolling, and I'm not doing everything, of course. So they're gonna be cooking and cleaning and all of that stuff. So we had to get a little organized around here. How y'all doing? Good. We're getting the concrete laid. How you doing? Good. So hubby is working and writing out thank you notes right now. We're also watching the guys in the back do the concrete. So that's pretty fascinating, watching the concrete work being done. And right now I'm making a smoothie. Hey guys, so it is Wednesday and I am making a roasted dinner today. Everything's going to be roasted. I thought I had potatoes, but I don't. So I'm making roasted asparagus with onion and garlic. I'm going to put some Parmesan on it halfway through cooking. So it has olive oil on it already. Also over here on the stove, I have some fish, some tilapia. And then these are some chicken breasts that I had cut up. I just cut them into cubes with a sharp knife. It was real easy. Just make sure you have a good knife, and it'll cut through like butter. And then I put onions and garlic, and I seasoned, the meat the way I wanted to. And then I have over here some apples, sweet potatoes, brown sugar, cinnamon, and a little salt. And you want to do butter. You want to get that good butter flavor on there. So it's like probably a half a stick of butter. Just cut it into cubes on the top and it'll melt in. And I'll stir it here and there. All right. I didn't have enough fish, so that's why I made chicken. I only had 4 fish fillets left. And we could probably eat 2 each of those. So we'll each have 1 fish fillet and then some chicken and sweet potatoes and asparagus. I think I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes that I have already. Those prepackaged mashed potatoes. You just add the water, the Ore-Ida kind. I do like those. Those are pretty tasty, and they come flavored. So I'll probably do those because I didn't have potatoes like I thought I did. I was gonna make roasted just white potatoes too, but anyway, sweet potatoes was. Oh no, I'm gonna do rice. Because Jalen doesn't like the mashed potatoes, and I don't think Isaiah he's not in love with mashed potatoes either. So we'll probably do rice. So I have it placed in the oven now. I'm going to go ahead and just scoot it on in. I have it on 400. The oven's on 400. So I'll probably try to roast this for about 30 minutes. I'll check on it and see. Hey guys, so we are in Sam's and it's sparse in here, but we had to come out and get some things. But I got my mask, I got my gloves. So we got the roasts today. Our meat lovers. And from Little Caesars we got the Italian cheesy bread. And this is me and Isaiah. Oh, Chris and Jalen's is gone. They get half cheese and mushrooms for Chris's side, and Jalen eats the cheese side.
Thought I was homeless. Look like a runaway slave out here doing yard work.
The DJ hasn't been to the barber shop in how long?
Since March 12th.
Since March the 12th.
I know what that was.
So we out here doing yard work.
Couldn't wait till I got lick my lips so they wouldn't be ashy.
Stuff getting in my, I'm drinking stuff, it's getting in my beard, it's getting in my mouth. Hey.
Tracie's place. Y'all can come out and do some yard work too. This is not just for grandkids.
Let me get her pulling to see if she done pulled off. Jalen is taking Mama's car for a ride because Mama's car ain't been moved in a couple months. So she's moving Mama's car just to, you know, let it run and so the battery won't die and stuff like that. So, but yeah, so Mama's house was looking rough because we ain't been over to clean it and straighten it up, of course, since a long time. A long time, so.
Yeah, they might could be beat down in there.
Right over there. Right here, I get it. So everybody's out doing their yard. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people are. So we are getting it done. Jalen over there getting some work done. With her work glasses on. What you doing, Jane?
See, it's been a hard day, you know, out in the yard.
Right.
Please.
They said, oh, please. Like, what's she been doing?
She got to drive the car around the corner.
Right. She got to drive the car around the corner.
It was so hard.
So we're taking a rest, or we finished rather, and we are eating some hooks and water. Are you all enjoying your chicken? Are you all enjoying your chicken?
Yes, thank you, DJ.
Are you enjoying your chicken?
Sure am.
You enjoying your chicken? Master know you eating? So, going into the backyard. We're home now from over to my mom's, and oh, Isaiah, and look at that little slab of concrete. So that's gonna be nice. Hello, Isaiah. He's not happy to be out in the yard. Him and Daddy been working back here for a while. And the chairs is clean. Oh, praise the Lord. Nice. So this will be real nice once we get it all fixed up and everything. Oh shoot, there's mud back here. And I was about to walk into it. There's the new garden bed. Oh, I don't know. There's the old one. We're at Ollie's and I see some hand sanitizer, I think. It's from alcohol makers. Pretty cool. Pretty cool.